Hello, hello, Super Cool Moms. How's it going? Welcome to the series, Stay Younger Longer. So who remembers what we talked about in the last episode? Tell me in the comment section, and if you haven't watched it, go and watch it now. Yeah, no, after this one. All right. So before we move on, let me remind you to subscribe my channel because I don't want you to miss any of the amazing tips I'm going to be sharing in this series. All right. Who's ready for tip number 3? Tip number 3 is a combination of a few tips. We will start with eating fresh and seasonal fruits and vegetables. Not the ones that are available throughout the year, but the ones that are available in their particular season. Those are more nutritious, those are more healthier and beneficial for our bodies. And when we bring those fresh vegetables home, we want to cook them as soon as possible, which brings me to my next point is cook at home. Set this trend as mothers, set this trend early on in your family so eating healthier becomes very effortless for your children, okay? So they won't be satisfied until they cook at home. It's clean, you know what you're putting in it, you know it's healthy, you are cooking it with love, all of those amazing ingredients, right? So we need to bring that back, and this is going to help our kids in their future. Then when you cook at home, you would want to eat together. So have that dinner table when everybody is gathering, where everybody is sitting together, having conversations, joking with each other, teasing each other. That's the best memory you can ever give to your child. The dinner table memory. It brings the family together. In any case, we see how food brings people together. So it has to happen in our households too. We need to increase that. At least a few times in the week, we should be sitting together and eating. And when you are surrounded by the healthiest food and the people you love, what happens? You feel younger for longer. Yes, when we are surrounded by our loved ones, when we feel loved and cared for, we feel younger because we're happier, right? All right. I hope you enjoy this tip. Let me know if you do this already or if you have started after watching my video. Share with me in the comment section, all right? Thank you. Okay, how do you like it, guys? So let me know in the comment section if you like today's tip and tell me and share with me the results after you applied it in your life and what's your point of view about it. Remember, in any age, it's not worth it being dependent on anyone else. So we have to make the necessary changes in our lifestyle to stay younger, stronger, and independent until we are here, as long as we're alive. All right? Take care of yourselves. Hit like, share, and comment. Share it with people who might benefit from it. And I will see you in the next episode. With that, like always, embrace life, embrace change.